welcome to Vitesse. If you haven't met us already, I'm Dan, and this is Matt, a B&W Master Technician. So, what we're going to talk about today?
Today really interesting day. So because we need to do a complete left-hand drive conversion, as we tell last time, and now we need to make it visible. You can see in this video the complete left-hand drive conversion. You can see we can probably put for the very first time the ignition if we have enough time, and do a bit of progress on everything, because it's hard to explain, but a lot of things need to be done. Yeah.
A lot of work done, a lot more to go as well. So, okay, right, we're going to show you what happened.
Okay, so now we are at this point. We need to try if everything works. So I have the key right there, and now I just need to see if I can have ignition or something like this. So I put the key. You can see this. I have everything, and yeah, let me push. Okay, yeah, everything's work or not. Oh yeah, I forgot to plug something. Okay, so test number 2. So now I inside the key. I put the key inside. Sorry. Oh fuck! What happened? Okay, so now this is the test. So now we just need to make sure if we have ignitions and thing like this. So everything is plugged. As you can see, you have the radio here, the AC controller, the cluster, the steering wheel, everything. So you just need to make sure everything is working before to continue. And if you have an issue, it's the best time to fix it. So yeah, and go ahead and put the key inside. Okay, as you can see here, we have ignition. When I press start, I have all the light. Yeah, no fuel, but that's normal. So as you can see here, the radio is working. Yeah, the blower is working, and the radio is working. And when I push on the steering wheel, it's also working. As you can see here, I can change the radio. Yeah, I think it's a really good start. Now we need to go ahead and continue the project. So we have a lot of things to do. It's only 50% of the project. So yeah, that's it for today. Yeah. So that's it for today, and we need to continue during the week just before
Okay.
Okay, so this is the end of this video. So as you can see here, you have the right hand drive harness here. This is all the things we don't gonna be reused. So you have the steering column here. The only difference between mine and the other one is this module. They call this module ELV. Is to lock is the steering column. On mine is different, so that's why I change it. And the complete harness, right hand drive, we're not gonna use this one. We can probably take couple module just to have spare one, but yeah, that's it. And as you can see, now we can officially say this car is now a left hand drive. You have the steering rack installed with the steering column, steering shaft, everything is left hand drive. As I can see in the first or second video, we put the plug on this side, and yeah, everything is installed, the brake lines. uh, this is for this is the vacuum line for the canister tank. This is the fuel line. This one is the clutch line, just here. And yeah, everything is ready to install the engine. We have ignition, we have everything. So yeah, in the future it's probably do an engine video, change all the broken things, install a couple upgrade parts, and drop the engine, and it should be start. But before this, we need to work a bit on the drivetrain and finish a bit of the interior because it's not fully finished. But we still made really big progress today. I'm really happy with that. Thank Daniel for your help. It's the mind behind the camera. Thanks for your support, guys. You are really amazing in the work, and everywhere I go, the guys are really happy with this video. So thanks very much for that. Bye bye.